my crafty friends. Nana K here with nanakdesigns.com and the Altered Book Nook on Etsy.com. Today I am going to be doing several videos. This is one of which. One we've completed already, which was working on the True Junk Journal. So if you have missed that on YouTube, don't forget to go get on there. And please subscribe. I've lost a couple of subscribers in a couple of last few weeks. I guess because I'm not producing videos fast enough for them. I don't know the reason. But anyway, please go like and subscribe and bear with me. I've been going through some health issues. But anyway, while I was recuperating from a little minor blip in my health that I had, I did stay busy, even though I was not over here at the shop talking to you guys on videos. And I apologize if you missed me. I apologize. But if you missed me, I'm glad you missed me. So just keep me in prayer as I battle some health issues. But we were busy, or I was busy, and I've got my granddaughter. Her name is Aaliyah. She will be helping me now. You will probably be seeing her or hearing her voice. I don't know which way she's going to do it. She may actually show her face because she's young and beautiful, and she don't mind actually gathering with you guys in person. I don't show my face because I've been to cancer and it's caused me some facial distortions. But anyway, all beside the point here. I did work on some new kits while I was out. In fact, I think I want to say I did maybe 5 new kits in the last 3 weeks, if you can believe it. I don't know how I was able to knock them out so fast as I do. Just the good Lord gave me some ingenious ideas of how to work on some kits I had. So what we're going to look at today, whoops, I got the wrong one out. Give me a second because we've already gone over that one. That's one of my old kits. Maybe I have to have the wrong one out right to start with. So please bear with me a second while I pull another one out. I know I've got a bunch here. And that's the first thing I didn't want to do was mess up right to start with. But I'm going to go ahead and pull them out so I can grab them as I'm making these videos. Yep, there's the one I had thought I was pulling out was that one right there. So we'll work on that one. The name of it is Teal Tranquility. And I've got a Teal Tranquility, a Lavender Tranquility, a Green Tranquility, and a Magenta Tranquility that we designed over the last few weeks. So let's start with this one. What you're looking at here, of course, is a printed kit. This will be available for sale after we do the journal here, after we do the presentation of what's in the digital journal. This is what's in the digital journal, but because I always print a copy so that I can either make a journal or show what's in it, I put together a printed kit. So I went ahead and made a printed kit. And what you see here this is not the printing kit. These are actually copy stained papers that I've actually done. So we're just going to set them aside. They are in the printed kit. And we'll go over that when we go over the printed kit. Right now, all I'm going to do is pull out what is in the digital kit. All right. When you purchase Teal Tranquility, it comes 2 ways. You can either buy it on the nanakdesign.com site as a bundle, which is all one big grouping of the 3 or 4 kits that's available. Or you can buy it individually as a page kit, which you see right here. This is a page kit. Or there's the page kit. Let me get them together. There's the page kit, which is this right here. Okay, we got those. That's the page kit. Then you've got the elements kit, and I say elements, I don't say ephemera because a lot of my stuff is not necessarily ephemera. But it's, and there's a lot of that. I'm trying to see why I've got so much extra. Okay. I think that was misprints at the back. And that's my mini pages. Okay. These were extras. Okay. The kits are broke down like this. You got a background kit. You got a basic page kit. Right here. Basic pages. Or what we call the journal pages. And then we've got the Elements Kit, which consists of, most of my kits consist of the same things. The corner tabs, which you know, if you follow me on YouTube much, you know that I always design corner tabs for protection in my for my journals, along with the stitching down the side. That's just a trademark of mine. I've got like little miniature pages here that I use for journaling cards or making tags or punching out circles and different things. So the kit has these in there to be printed. This is in the Elements Kit. Now, I only got 3 kits in this unit. So the Elements Kit consists of the little miniature pages. Then we have this tag kit here, and this tag kit here. Then these are the digital, the digital journal cards that's available in this particular kit. Then we've got pockets and some journal cards and pockets combined, and some other little extra elements. And then some clip art. So that's what's in the element pack. So that's your 3 packs that you've got. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over the whole kit, each kit individually. Okay. The first kit, is kit number 1, is your journal page kit of the Teal Tranquility. Here is one of them. The pearls are pink, iridescent, beautiful color there, with teal and pink flowers with different shades of greens. They kind of vary a little, but that's that one. Let's see if we can get them up right. Then we have this page with a beautiful teapot with a bouquet of flowers, a lit lantern. The light glows pretty well with this, and the mixed color flowers. Then we have the heart wreath, and then a corner spray with a teal butterfly here and here. The background is just slightly tinted more of a teal. Then we have the writing desk with the old vintage typewriter, a little kitty cat figurine at the bottom, a jar of flowers, and another bouquet of flowers behind that with a flower kind of embedded around it. And then a written piece of paper with the ink pen or a fountain pen. This is actually a fountain pen. This is kind of looks like you dip into the ink bottles. Vintagey, very vintagey. Then we have the beautiful herring with the flowers around him and the garden bridge. Then we have another garden park scene with and then beside that we have like a scene inside of a house with a lot of plants around it. I'll bring it up. Hopefully it focuses a little better. You can see it. The colors here are just so beautiful. Then we have the little cafe scene and another garden scene with 2 more herrings in it. Then we have the oval reef. Then this one has 2 corner sprays. Then we have, again, kind of a reading, writing type situation picture here with an open book, a cup of coffee or hot chocolate, whichever. It's more like hot chocolate in this scene. Then a candle surrounded by the beautiful teal and pink flowers. Another large teal spray to the left. And then a garden window. This is from the outside looking in. Then we have a framed set here. Another corner spray with another house scene. Bookshelf, chair, lamp, table with lamps, all in the teal colors. We have the corner sprays here and the garden glass house. Greenhouse, glass house, but it's a glass greenhouse. Beautiful glass greenhouse. More like a European, something you'd see, I think, more of a European style right there. Then we have a beautiful beach scene and the wishing well. Another framed page. The garden gate where you're entering into the garden here. And then just another a scene of a park bench, excuse me. Another framed print and another window print. Now this one is inside looking out, and this one is outside looking in. Beautiful flowers there. Okay, so that is the journal pages on the Teal Tranquility. If some of these graphics look familiar, what we did was we have taken our Blue Tranquility, which is our top seller of all of our kits. It's been our top seller, and we changed the graphic colors. We went in and redone the colors and changed them to teal. So the graphics are similar, mostly, and then just the color changes. We'll change the swatches. So that's the journal pages. Then we've got our backgrounds. Let's go over those. All right, we've got the coffee stain. This is the avocado stain paper, but this is actually in digital. We have the pink with a beautiful jewelry lace in the center with a beautiful swirl on the outside. We have kind of a very light minty or teal color with lacy type paper. Let's focus it. Let me pull it up and focus it more. Okay, but it's a very light green. Just basically a teal, tiny hint of teal here. This is one just like it, but this is in the pink color. And then this one's like it, but in a deeper teal. So you got 3 of those patterns. Then we've got the dotted Swiss, and this is in kind of a tannish color. It looks pink on the screen, but it's not. It's a light tan. We do have a pink one though, right here, the pink. Then we have the bluish teal color. It looks blue there, but it's really teal. Then we have a deeper green, like a spring green color. Then we've got one of my collage sheets that I've designed, but we've tinted it to a teal color. A lot of variety in that one. And then we've also turned it into a pinkish color. Okay. Then we have a really deep purplish pink gingham check. We have a pink and teal kind of mingled. There's a little bit of teal in here, mingled marbled print. We have the tan gingham check with blonde. My dog is blonde. That's the color of the spots on my poor little doggy. Then we have the teal gingham check, even though it looks blue on the screen to me like this minute, but it's really teal colored. Then the spring green. And then we have the really deep teal, just a kind of faded out background. And then we have another lighter teal, kind of a collage background. So that is the background pages. I think there's 18 of each of these. There's 18 of the fronts. There's 18 of the journal pages and the journal pages kit. There's 18 in the background kit. They are sold separately on Etsy or as a bundle on Nana K Designs. Okay. Next, and I can do a bigger discount on Nana K Designs. That's why I'm running both websites. I also have a coffee, ko-fi site that these will be listed on. And I also have a buy me a cup of coffee site now that Aaliyah's helping me get all these up and running so I can get my name out there a little bit better. So you can find me. To be sure, you can find me on one of the 4 sites. And we also now have a new Facebook page, guys. I wish I had thought about putting it up here. I might can. If y'all give me just a minute, I may drop it right in there so you can see it. Hold on just a second. Okay, guys, I dropped it in there. It took me a second or two to go find it. But there it is. That's the Facebook site right there. If you want to start keeping up with what we're doing on a daily basis when I'm not actually making videos, I'm actually just taking snapshot pictures or other people are posting things they're doing with our kits, that's the site you're going to see it on. So it's facebook.com/NanaKDesign. So look for us there. Go ahead and register and keep up with us there. We'll send you a notification anytime anything we put in there if you're interested in following us that way. Okay, so here's what I've done. Once I printed my 2 kits, I actually printed mine front and back, and then I just chose, well, really all I do is just print my backgrounds stick them into my printer on the other side, and then I do the same thing, just start clicking my print, and I don't necessarily do this in any specific order, front and back. But anyway, that's what you do with the kits. You buy the 2 kits, and then you print them front and back like that. Same thing with the bundle kit. Okay, if you buy the printed kit, you'll get these already folded like this. Okay, then the third kit that goes with this series is the kit we call our Elements kit. The first thing you're going to get is, of course, your corners, and there's 5 pages a day, so it's plenty to do a pretty large journal. Then you're going to get a page of clip art. Some of my kits have more clip art than others. This one just has a specific amount of clip art. You've got tags, you've got pockets, flags, word art, lots and lots of journal cards, which I may be adding more to this. If I do, it will be called the Teal Tranquility add-on kit, which will have more tags and possibly more journal cards. So there's the tags and all that comes with the kit. So this again is the Elements kit. It's the 3rd kit in the series, kit 3 of 3. And then they got inside that same kit are the miniature pages. And what these are again for, or say you're working on making hidden paper clips maybe, and you want to use some of you'll cut these out, and this is what you just make your own individual crafty elements with, just circles and different things. So that miniature kit comes also in with the elements. So that is your 3 kits on the Teal Tranquility. Again, like I say, 3 kits. If you want to buy the kit at a very substantial discount and not have to buy 3 kits on Etsy, then you'll go to the nanakdesigns.com site and you can buy it as a bundle. I am not sure it's on Etsy in a bundle, but if it is, it's higher price on Etsy than it is on Nana K Designs, because I have a big sale going on right now in Nana K Designs, so everything there has been marked down. Etsy has a sale going on too. I got 50% off on a lot of my older kits, so go there and check that out. But this is Nana K going to sign off now. I will do a printed kit run through in a minute on different video. But this is Teal Tranquility. It is very similar to the blue Tranquility, but in the beautiful teal colors. I hope you enjoyed this. We really enjoyed changing all these kits around and making new kits from old kits. It has been a blast. So come see me again. Please like and subscribe. Watch my videos all to the end and help boost Nana K this year. Help me get up to that 1,000 this year in the year 2024. Many blessings, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.